Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix add friend option not showing issue on Facebook. So guys, as you can see this, if you are trying to add someone as a friend but you get no option to add that person as friend on Facebook, as you can see this, there is no option to add this account as your friend. So guys, if you're also facing this issue and you are unable to add some of your friends on Facebook, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, basically this is not a problem on Facebook. As you can see this, if I am going to this account, here I can send or add this person as a friend on Facebook. So guys, here you can see this, if I tap on add friend, then this person will be added to my Facebook friend list. And since here you can see, if you get no option to add as friend, then this is not the issue from your side. If someone sets the privacy not to receive any request on Facebook, he can easily turn off the add friend option on his account. So guys, you can see this person has disabled add friend option on his profile, and nobody will be able to add this person as a friend on Facebook. So guys, this is basically not a problem. This is a privacy setting. If you set the privacy not to add any friend on Facebook, then nobody will be able to add you as friend on Facebook. So guys, this is the issue, and hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.